Welcome students in the second part of the first chapter. Now you have to solve these equations by graphically. Means you cannot solve this simultaneous equation by solving. You have to solve this equation by graph method and then you have to find out the solution. So for that in 9th standard you have studied the graph in coordinate geometry. So now first you have to find out the coordinates to plot the graph. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 6. So here you have to write it x, then y, and then the coordinates of x and y. Now see, observe these two equations. X and y don't have any coefficient. For this one also, x and y doesn't have any coefficient. So it is very simple to solve this one. You can take any value for x either or y. So here I am going to take the values of x 1, 2 and 3. Now if I substitute these values, x plus y equal to 6, and if x is 1 plus y equal to 6. So 1 goes on that side. So what do you get? 6 minus 1. So y equals to 5. So here you have to write it 5. So the coordinates are 1 and 5. Same for the second value. X plus y equal to 6. So x value is 2 plus y equal to 6. So y equal to 2 goes on that side. So y equals to 4. So can you tell me the value for the 3? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is 3. So the coordinates are 3 and 3. These are the values for x plus y equal to 6 equation. For this one, same you have to find out the values of x and y. So here I have taken the value of x. I am going to take the values of y here. You can take any values x or y, it is dependent upon you. Because both the variable doesn't have any coefficient. So x, y and xy. So here I am going to take the values of y 1, 2, 3. You can take any value 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, anything. So let's start with this one. X minus y equals to 4. Substitute the value of y is 1. It's minus 1 equal to 4. So minus 1 goes on that side. So you will get it 4 plus 1. So x equals to 5. For the second, so you have to write the value of x here. So the coordinates are 5 and 1. For the second, x minus y equal to 4. Then x will be remain as it is, minus, then y's value is 2 equal to 4. It goes on that side. X equals to 4 plus 2. So x will be 6. So if I take the 3, then what will the value for this one? So I have written the value of this one as a 6 and 2. But if you want to change this value, you can change any value anywhere. So I am going to change the value for this one. If I take the 0, then what will happen? Now substitute the value of y as a 0. If you substitute the value of x minus y equals to 4, so x minus 0 equals to 4. So x equals to 4, because here we cannot subtract 0 and either add the 0. So x equal to 4. So these are the values for x and y. These are the coordinates to plot the graph. So I am going to plot this one. All are positive. You know it that x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is also positive. The first coordinate is 1 and 5. So x is 1 and it is 5. So these are the coordinates 1, 5. For the second one is 2, 4. So 2 and 4. So you will get it here 2 and 4. Third is 3 and 3. So 3 and 3, you will get it exactly here as a 3 and 3. So now join these two 3 dots exactly So give the name to this line AB and write it down that this line is x plus y equal to 6. This line is related to this equation. Now you have to plot this one. Here the 5 and 1. 5 from x coordinate is 5 and its coordinate is 1. So this is the 5 and 1. And then 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Here is the 6 and 2. And then 4 and 0. 4 and 0. Where is 0? We cannot take the 0 of y. So you have to plot this point on x-axis because y is 0. So now join these three coordinates and give the name as a CD and write it down. Here this line is related to this equation. Now what you observe is that these two lines are intersecting here. That intersecting point is pi and 1. So therefore the solution for this one is pi and 1. Let's start with the second different type of equation. In the first equation, you have seen that there is no coefficient to the variable. But you see here 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So I have written this one. You have to draw the box like this and then you have to find out the values of x and y. So here I am going to take the values of y. Why? Because it is a negative one. So it is very simple to convert in positive. So always remember that the values of negative take the first. So here you have to remember again the one thing. If you take the 1, 2, 3 value, the answer will be in digit. So I don't need the values in digit. So you have to think it which values we have to take it here. So I am going to take the values of y. First value I am going to take it 0. So what will happen? If you solve this one, 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So 2x will be as it is 3 in bracket 0 value of y. So 2x 3 zeros are 0 equals to 4. So now 0 doesn't have any value. So 2x equal to 4. 2 goes on that side. So x equal to 4 divided by 2. So x equals to 2. So this is the coordinate for x and y 2, 0. Now here I am going to take the value of y as a 2. So substitute the value of y here. Then 2x minus 3y equals to 4. 2x will be remain as it is 3 in the bracket 2 equal to 4. So 2x minus 6 equals to 4. So 6 goes on that side. So 4 plus 6. So 2x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 divided by 2. Therefore the value of x equals to 5. So here the value of x is 5. The coordinates are 5 and 2. Now if you take the value 3 either 4, then it will be increased as a 4, 8, 10. I have the number up to 6 only. So I cannot take that value. So I am going to take it as a minus 2. So now substitute the minus 2 here. What will get it? Plus 6 minus minus plus. So plus will comes on this side. It will be minus. So plus 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. And then 2 comes on this side. Minus 2 divided by 2. So we'll get it 2 1 are 2. Plus minus minus. The value of x is minus 1. So the coordinates are minus 1 minus 2. This is the simple equation because x doesn't have any coefficient. So you can take the values of y as you can. I am going to take the values of y as a 1, 2 and 3. So I am getting the values of x. 3y minus x equals to 4. So 3 in bracket 1 minus x equal to 4. 3 1 the 3 minus x equal to 4. So 3 goes on that side, minus x equal to 4 minus 3. So minus x equal to 1 and therefore x equals to minus 1. So minus 1, 1. These are the coordinates of x and y. Now you can take the values as a 2. Then substitute 3y minus x equals to 4. So 3 in bracket 2 minus x equals to 4, and then it is 6 minus x equals to 4, minus x equal to 4 minus 6. So minus x equals to minus 2. Minus minus cancels, the x value is 2. So here you will get the value of x as a 2. 2 comma 2. Now if you take the value as 3, then what will happen? Can you tell me the value for this one? Yes, it will be minus 5. So it is minus 5 and 3. So you can calculate, you can substitute the value. If you substitute the value as a 3, so it will be 9. 9 goes on that side, it will be minus 5. So minus 5 will be cancelled. You get the value as a 5. So now we can draw it graphically. Okay. Now let's see, the coordinates are 2 and 0. 2 for x-axis and 0. So here you have to plot the point. Second is pi and 2. So here you can plot the point second. Then minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 is here, minus 2 is here. So if you draw these points and then join these points, you will get a one line. Give the name AB and write it 2x minus 3y equals to 4. This is line related to this equation. Now for this one, minus 1 and 1. And then 2 and 2, plus 2 and plus 2. 2 and 2. It comes here. And then 5 and 3. This is 5 and 3. It comes here. So now join these 3 points. You will get it. You will get this line, and these two lines are intersecting each other at this point. Therefore, the solution for this equation, here we will find that 8 is there and this is 4. So the equation solution is 8 and 4.